Hi everyone, welcome to DKP's Kitchen. Hope you are doing well. Today I came up with tapioca puppet. It's usually served as a snack or as an accompaniment to a rice-based meal. This tapioca puppet is a variety of puppet produced in southern part of India. These puppets are produced from pure tapioca root extract mixed with chili powder, salt and dried under direct sunlight. Let's get started. Here I have tapioca which weighs around 1 kg. First we have to make thin slices of tapioca. Here I made thin slices. Here I have taken 2 cups of rice which have been soaked for 2 to 3 hours. We have to grind this into a smooth batter. So in a jar I am adding in a small piece of asafoetida or hing, then some rice, add tapioca slices and grind this into a smooth paste. Transfer the batter into a bowl. Again add some rice and tapioca slices. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Grind this into a smooth paste. Transfer it to the bowl. Now I have ground rest of the rice and tapioca slices. Add this to the same bowl and give it a good mix. Keep the batter for fermentation overnight. Here is the fermented batter. See how fluffy the batter is. Mix it well. Take half portion of the batter into a wide pan. We can use rest of the batter later. Add some water to make a thin batter. Mix it well. Here you can add salt if needed. You can add more water if necessary. Do not turn on the flame at this stage. Here I have used a bowl of water. The thin batter is ready. At this stage you can switch on the stove. Keep it in low flame. Stir it continuously to prevent it from lump formation. After 5 to 10 minutes, the batter turned to thick consistency like this. Puppet batter is ready now. Spread a plastic sheet. Place a tablespoon of batter on top of the sheet and place a piece of a plastic sheet over it. Now press it using a plate. You can shape this by gently pressing. Do the same steps with the rest of the batter. Usually we prepare this during summer season and store it for rainy season. We are finished making puppet. Dry it under direct sunlight. I am from Kasaragod, northern district of Kerala. Here we make tapioca puppet, which is slightly different from kappa pappadam because we are using rice and hing along with tapioca. After drying, the puppet looked like this. See how thin and transparent is this? You can store it for a year. It's ready for frying. We can fry it in a medium heated oil. When fried in oil, it comes out crispy and the taste is very special. Tapioca puppet is among the popular South Indian snack consumed by kids to elders. While enjoying your meals or tea, just have a bite of tapioca puppet. Please do try this recipe and drop your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you for your valuable time. See you on next video. Until then, bye from Deepa Praveen. Bye bye.